We just came from yung Hagia Sophia na sobrang haba ng pila. These are but mostly Turkish food kasi ang siniserve, oh. May potato, so medyo strange. Ito na wide area. This area may public plaza sila there. An area. On that side is the Blue Mosque. An area. Blue Mosque. This is the side ng Hagia Sophia. Sobrang haba ng pila. Take us mga 2 hours. This is a public place, plaza, waiting area. That area meron silang water fountain. We covered that also. Maganda yan kasi nakaikot yung mga different flowers. Okay. Ito na yung likod ng Hagia Sophia. Ito yung exit nila. Yan. So before, free yung entrance dito. They because nagreklamo daw yung mga local na mga Turkish na hindi na nagagamit yung simbahan. So they charged last February 25 euro. But despite the 25 euro, andun pa rin yung mga pila. So we're going out here. This is yung area. We're looking for nagtatanong kami. So we're taking a taxi going to yung mall. Yeah. Okay. So this is Istanbul in Turkey. So just inside, no, on the left side, yung Blue Mosque. Galing na kami doon. Then this side is yung Hagia Sophia na mahaba yung pila. Okay.